Stomach 36 is located the width of 4 fingers below your kneecap. To find stomach 36, find the point that is the width of 4 fingers below your kneecap, like this. Then move towards the side till you're off the bone and push in to find a point that is sensitive, sore, tender, or painful. That is stomach 36. Activate stomach 36 by rubbing the area quickly 5 times. Take a break for a count of 5 and repeat 4 more times. It might look like this. Or if you have a Tay shin, it might look like this. Now find and activate stomach 36 on your other leg.